So I just got these earplugs. They are able to reduce noise 18.4 decibels. They come with a lot of different sizing tips from extra small all the way to extra large. So fits a lot of different size ears. This case is USB-C rechargeable, which is really nice. And it also has a UV, basically like bacteria killer or sanitizer built in on the inside with a light. So when you shut the case, it will have this little light that lights up and sanitizes the earplugs, which is lovely. So the way to wear these is you just take them and you stick them into your ear and then rotate them. And just like that, they go in. And you could change the tip size depending on what size ears you have. So they're really great for concerts or other venues that are loud that you need some hearing protection. This is a really great option for you. It does come with a charging cable, but doesn't come with the block, so you'll need to provide that separately. They are made of silicone, so that is one thing to keep in mind, but that makes them really nice and soft as well. And then on the case, they have this little clip where they clip on into. So they sit right into this hole here, and that's where the light is. And then when you shut it, you can see that lights up blue, so it means it's sanitizing the earplugs. So that's really nice as well. And they're all color coordinated. So the earplugs, the case, and the tips are all the same color of this like purplish blue. So if you're looking for a really cool set of earplugs for some hearing protection, I highly suggest you check these out.